car weave into his rear parking spaces. Okay, so nakuha ko na yung answer pero akala ko naka-record. Yun pala hindi. So I'll just explain kung paano ko nakuha yung answer. Okay, so weave is an anagram indicator. Kukunin natin si car, then weave into, ilalagay natin sa word na his. Bali, i-combine natin si car and his. So, pag ni-rearrange natin ang words na car and his, makakubuo tayo ng word na chairs, which is the definition for rear parking spaces. So, akala ko nga nung una, rear can be a selection indicator. Kukunin natin yung mga letters ng parking and spaces. Kaso, kulang sa 6-letter na answer. So, naisip ko, car weave into his. Kasi car, 3 letters, his, 3 letters, so 6 overall. So, ayun. Bye.